These portable units are great for hundreds of lifting applications. A telescopic boom allows for multiple lifting heights and capacities. The boom is raised and lowered with the manual hydraulic hand pump. The high-capacity hydraulic cylinder provides for faster lifting action and features a large diameter ram to withstand angled loads when lifting. The base model and heavy-duty models include 2 rigid and 2 swivel casters for portability. The base model is collapsible for storage and has foldable legs. The heavy-duty model can lift up to 3 tons, and the legs are fixed. However, the legs do extend for greater stability. The air hand pump hydraulic shop crane allows one person to maneuver from location to location and then lift it with everyday air. If air is temporarily unavailable, lift products with the hand pump hydraulic option. Air raises unit 7 inches to 8 inches per second. Units roll on 3x1 cast steel casters, 4 swivel in back, 2 rigid in front. The Hoist offers heavy-duty lifting power while optimizing space when in the folded position. Standard features include foldable legs, adjustable boom, swivel hook, and steel construction. Operating instruction. It is possible that air has got into the hydraulic cylinder system, causing poor lifting performance. Purge any air from the system by fully opening release valve. Turn handle counterclockwise. To raise load, turn handle clockwise. Operate pump handle rapidly several times. To lower load, close release valve by turning handle counterclockwise very slowly. The speed of lowering the load is controlled by how much you turn the handle. For durability and portability, check out our line of shop crane engine hoists today.